we'll switch it on.
This is crazy.
So, if you are spinning,
It doesn't need anything.
not a lot.
Yeah.
So if you are spinning,
Yeah.
just a bit of clutch,
A bit of clutch.
that will stop it from stalling.
Yeah.
Yeah, in a second we'll try this one. So keep her right. Keep her right along here. Turn her in and add a bit of gas to her left. Add gas, counter steer it out, come off the gas and catch it. So for the first few laps, we're just going to try and get the back end out and catch it. So here, we're a little too left. We want to stay left though, and then chuck it into the right here. So timing your steering with your gas is important. So as you're steering in, add the gas there, and you'll get it to go. So bring her into the left, bit of gas. Slide, and catch. Bring her around, it might slide here, and then slip into this one. Centre her back, and drive her away. Right, we'll try the end. So, take her straight along this edge. Chuck her into the left, counter rotate out, slide her straight up. So that happens when you just grip the rear wheels up slightly. We'll try this one. So just go straight along here, straight along this grip, turn her in left, take slide, and into first.
Nice.
All good. We'll let these guys pass. So, we'll go for this end corner. So timing, you're turning in left, so a little half turn with a bit of gas will just poke the rear end out, and then let it counter steer, come off gas and catch it. So turn her in, gas it. That would have been a good start. So, we'll give it a bit of gas to the left. It might slide, it might not. Keep her left, and now you take it right, bit of gas, let it slide, come off and straight. Find it straight. Into first. Right, we're going to head it back up to the right,
Yeah.
take it back to the left. So, if anything, I hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully it was some good fun. It's just practice really.
Yeah.
Practice makes perfect, obviously. It doesn't apply anywhere else more than in drifting.
No, how long have you been doing this?
A couple of years, and we'll park it up on the left. So I've worked here for a few months, but in my own time I've done it for a couple